Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how English is taught in our schools, how we learn English language in our schools, and after completing the school, what we find. We find we are not having the confidence. We find that we are not having the skill of speaking English language. We find that we are not having the skill of communication, and we face a lot of problems. What is the actual problem? So in this video we are going to just discuss about some of the things, some of the points actually why we are not able to speak English language, because so many people are facing this type of problem. They are learning and they are going different types of institutions, coaching centers to learn English language, to learn how to communicate with someone. Okay, so what happens actually in our schools? And if you are studying in a school, so be careful and be focused and just keep learning all the things. Okay, whatever are necessary. Okay, learn. So what I want to talk about today, see what happens actually when we go to school. So usually what happens when the period comes of English, then the teacher comes and he teaches he teaches the children, the students, and students learn English language. And then what happens, the teacher checks the notebooks, all the students, and after checking it, the students put it in their bags. Okay, and after just putting, what happens actually, they just come back, uh, their home, and that's it. It is the simple way of going to school and coming from there. And if I talk about the speaking, like what they learn about English speaking, what type of sentence they learn in English language. So they learn very few sentences in schools. Like for example, may I come in, may I go to washroom, may I go to drink water, and open your eyes, close your eyes, and what are you doing, where are you going, and how are you. These type of things we learn. Okay, and I'm not talking about all those schools, I mean all the schools. It is not the condition of all schools, it is the condition of rural areas mostly. Yeah, of course. So what happens actually, we are unable to speak so many things in English language. Why? Because we learn English language but we don't speak, isn't it? So that is why the problem is arising. We are facing a lot of problems while learning English language. Okay, while learning English language in our schools. So what happens actually when we don't learn English language in our schools? So after some time we have to face a lot of problems, right? So that is why I'm saying that you know the government should conduct those types of activities in schools. I mean, the government should provide those types of activities in schools. I mean, the classes should be attended, some different types of classes should be attended in which the students could speak English language. They could improve themselves. They could they could just build their confidence. They could learn how to communicate with others. Okay, this type of classes should be attended. And I just want to say one thing: if the government wants to see the growth of India, so government should provide the best education to the children, to the student, and India will automatically grow. Yeah, of course, because these students can grow the country. Only these things I just wanted to share with you. So I'm not blaming anyone, I'm not blaming the government, I'm not blaming the schools. I'm just simply giving this opinion, so that because I really want people to become educated, I really want people to become aware about, yeah, about this world, about this, what is life actually. Okay, so that is why I just want to say these type of things. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching.